so let's wax my glow-in-the-dark squishy. And it's okay, it has those like sugar textures, except I don't have wax, and I have candle wax. And I learned my lesson, the last wax cracking squishy. Like I didn't put it in the freezer, so I am going to be doing that. So let's just get started. Okay. Sit
لا لا هذا بشيش. هذا البيبي. هذا البيبي تاعك.
God. Okay, end it. Bye. It's time to take it out. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it feels so weird. Ew. Looks so interesting. I know. I'm gonna put more. Yeah. Okay.
تخلص والله بالحكي يلا اغسلي ايدك بالمي.
I know. It's like hand sanitizer. Not hand sanitizer, soap. Look at this. It looks like mashed onions.
شهد اغسلي
I
ايدك
know.
خلاص.
Okay, bye. Pause it.